What's more important for achieving a good cleaning result? Pressure or flow rate? ZESTRON checks the facts. Independent from machine manufacturers, scientifically and technically sound. Let's start with the basics. Pressure, P, is force, F, divided by the area, A, with force acting vertically on a surface. The flow rate indicates how much volume, V, of a medium is transported per time interval, small t. In other words, volume divided by time. We consider these two parameters in spray and air cleaning systems, also called spraying systems, where cleaning fluid is applied to assemblies through spray arms and nozzles and used cleaner runs off. Now, which of the parameters is crucial for the cleaning result in assembly cleaning, especially under components? Pressure or flow rate? Pressure and flow rate are generated by a pump inside the cleaning system. These parameters do not necessarily correspond with the pressure and flow rate that arrive on the surface of an assembly. Therefore, variables pressure and flow rate must be considered at two different levels, system level and assembly level. For this purpose, we have carried out various measurements on commercially available spray and air systems and compared the technical data. We measured the pump pressure of cleaning systems with a pressure gauge installed in the piping. Flow rate data was taken from the pump manufacturer's specifications. Specialized measurements were used to measure the pressure of the cleaner's impact on the assembly surface as well as the volume of cleaning fluid arriving on the assembly. In addition, the cleaning performance of the various systems under components was determined. For this purpose, glass boards equipped with different components and standoffs were used and contaminated with a test contamination. Finally, pressure and flow rate of the pump, as well as on the assembly surface, were related to the mentioned cleaning performance. What were the results? Send a request and our cleaning expert will explain details regarding pressure and flow rate and their interdependencies in cleaning systems. Whether there is a certain correlation between pressure and flow rate in the system and on the surface of the assembly. Which of the variables is more important for the cleaning result under components, and what you should look out for in terms of pressure and flow rate when selecting a system. Send an inquiry now.